Augusta city leaders making an urgent plea for people to stay home to stop the spread of the virus. They say if people don't follow social distancing guidelines, stronger measures could follow. Here's News Channel 6's George Escala.
Augusta political, public safety, and medical officials joined together for a common message, and that is the public has to take the coronavirus seriously and practice social distancing. The city is not at this time going to mandate any stay-at-home orders. However, they warn that could change. Mayor Hardy Davis saying Augusta is facing a public health emergency, but some are not stepping up, practicing social distancing.
There are some who do not seem to care about the many others at risk to the COVID-19 virus.
Earlier this month, by executive order, Mayor Davis closed government offices and recreation centers and banned public gatherings. Non-essential businesses were also closed. City government offices were going to reopen Wednesday. That will now not be taking place.
Those facilities, to include the Augusta libraries and senior centers, will be closed to the public until further notice.
If the public don't assist us, it's going to be very difficult, and the longer it's going to take us to overcome this COVID-19. So please follow those instructions, help us, help you, help our community.
Sheriff Richard Roundtree says his calls are up so far this month. He says the last thing he needs to be doing is sending deputies to complaints of people gathering in groups of 10 or more.
I can't stress enough how responding to these calls divert resources from other primary and proactive calls.
Other cities are not only closing businesses, they have mandatory stay-at-home orders. Augusta is not yet at that point.
We should be able to practice safe social distancing at home when possible, and it should not have to be mandatory. But the few who are not acting as responsible as others are driving a decision that very well could require mandates greater than what we've already done at this time.
Now, the mayor again saying these closings will remain in effect until further notice. No date on when that might be. Also applying to further notice will be the moratorium on evictions and water service cutoffs. In Augusta, George Escala, WJBF, News Channel 6.